You know those days when your mind just won't stop racing? You're thinking about the past, worrying about the future, and forgetting to live in the moment. Today, I want to share 5 simple ways you can instantly calm your mind and feel lighter. Tip 1. Deep breathing. Close your eyes. Take a slow deep breath in through your nose, hold for 4 seconds, and breathe out through your mouth. Repeat this for 1 minute, and you'll feel your heartbeat slow down and your mind start to clear. Tip 2. Write it out. Grab a notebook or even your phone. Write down every thought that's bothering you. Once it's on paper, your mind doesn't have to carry it anymore. Think of it as decluttering your brain. Tip 3. Ground yourself. Look around and name 5 things you can see, 4 things you can touch, 3 things you can hear, 2 things you can smell, and 1 thing you can taste. This trick brings your mind back to the present moment, where stress can't live. Tip 4. Move your body. You don't need a gym. Just stretch, walk, or dance to your favorite song. Moving releases endorphins, your body's natural stress fighters. Tip 5. Speak kind words to yourself. Pause and say to yourself, I am safe, I am strong, I can handle this. Your mind listens to what you say, so make sure it hears kindness. Life can be overwhelming, but remember, peace is always just a few breaths away. Take care of yourself because you are your most important priority. And hey, if this video helped you, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Let's keep building this calm and positive space together.